Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Casey Neistat. Welcome to Miami, the city that never stops buzzing, Miami. Just the name gets you hyped, right? It's not just a city, it's a feeling, a rhythm that pulses through every street, every wave, and every sunset. Sun, sand, and good times. But it's more than just a beach destination, it's where the ocean meets endless possibilities. By day, it's a playground of sunshine and adventure. By night, it's a city that glows with energy, where every corner tells a story. We're talking about a melting pot of cultures, a kaleidoscope of colors, and a vibe that feels like a global celebration. From the vibrant Wynwood walls to the soulful streets of Little Havana, every neighborhood has its own heartbeat. And the music? Oh, the music! It's a soundtrack that never stops, from Latin beats to electronic rhythms, keeping the city alive 24/7. From the moment you touch down, you feel it, that Miami energy. It's intoxicating, trust me, it's like stepping into a dream where the air itself feels electric. This ain't just another city, it's a vibe. It's a place where Art Deco meets neon, where history dances with modernity. It's a state of mind, a place where you can find peace in a rooftop pool, or lose yourself in the magic of a Biscayne Bay sunset. And the best way to experience it? From the sky, baby. Up here you see it all, the beaches, the skyline, the heartbeat of a city that never sleeps. Miami, the city of vibes. Picture this. Turquoise water stretching as far as the eye can see. The ocean sparkles under the sun, inviting you to dive into its endless beauty. It's a scene straight out of a postcard, but here, it's real life. White sand beaches, glistening in the sun, create a perfect contrast to the vibrant blue of the ocean. These shores are a haven for relaxation, where the rhythm of the waves sets the tone for your day. Palm trees swaying in the breeze add a tropical charm to the landscape. They stand tall, framing the coastline like nature's own masterpiece. Yeah, Miami's beaches are legendary. From colorful umbrellas dotting the sand to people soaking up the sun, it's a vibrant scene of life and leisure. But take it up a notch. Launch that drone, and check out the Art Deco district. It's a visual feast that blends history with style. These pastel-colored buildings are like something out of a dream. Their soft hues and intricate details make them a photographer's paradise. Geometric shapes, funky fonts, pure Miami history. Each building tells a story, a glimpse into the city's vibrant past and its artistic soul. And don't forget the water. Cruise along the coast and you'll spot mansions, yachts, maybe even a dolphin or two. The waterfront is alive with activity, a mix of luxury and natural wonder. Miami from above is a whole different world. The skyline meets the sea, creating a breathtaking panorama that captures the essence of this vibrant city. Now let's talk culture. Miami is more than just beaches and nightlife. It's a vibrant tapestry of traditions, art, and stories woven together over decades. Miami's got it in spades. From the bustling streets to the quiet corners, every neighborhood has its own unique rhythm and flavor. Head over to Little Havana, where the music spills out of every doorway and the smell of Cuban coffee fills the air. It's a place where tradition meets the present, and every corner tells a story. It's like stepping into another country. The vibrant colors, the lively conversations, and the unmistakable energy make it unforgettable. Then there's Wynwood. This place is an explosion of art. Wynwood is where creativity knows no bounds and every wall is a canvas waiting to be discovered. Murals everywhere you look, transforming ordinary walls into masterpieces. It's a celebration of expression, diversity, and imagination. It's a feast for the eyes, especially from above. The colors, the textures, the sheer scale of it all, it's breathtaking. And if you're lucky enough to be in town during Art Basel, forget about it. The city transforms into a global hub for art and culture. The whole city becomes an art gallery. From the streets to the galleries, every corner is alive with creativity and inspiration. Galleries, pop-ups, parties, it's insane. The energy is electric and the experience is unforgettable. Miami knows how to throw a party. But it's not just about the fun, it's about the way art, culture, and community come together to create something truly special. So, what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. Miami's calling, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're soaking up the sun on South Beach, exploring the vibrant streets of Little Havana, or getting lost in the art of Wynwood, Miami will blow your mind. And when you see it from the sky, game over. It's a whole new level of awesome. Peace out.